Hi, hello. Welcome back to the Blue Row House. My name is Karina. I'm the owner of this Blue Row House. And if you're new, thank you for stopping by. And if you are a returning viewer, I truly appreciate you watching my videos. And in today's video, finally, the final part of the beauty room organization series. Yes, I finally finished my beauty room. Everything is so organized and nice and clean. So let's go ahead and watch it in now. Good morning, good morning. Another day, another week. And let's see the status of this kind of like beauty station. And yeah, everything was organized. Top shelf, middle shelf, mirror shelf, makeup shelf, and nail polish shelf. Now, I have these other two drawers that I need to organize. And yeah, I'm being quite behind. Haven't done anything. When I filmed part one and part two, that was just like in one day. And yeah, so I'm going to start with the first drawer and see what I have here. My goodness. I have here hush posh of stuff. So we're going to do the same thing as we did in my previous videos, part one and part two. I'm going to take everything out and put it on my bed. So let's start now. I also decided to take things from the second drawer, and yeah, so I can put everything on my bed and find out what I have, what I'm going to keep, what I'm going to donate, and what I'm going to toss. Good thing that I cooked last night, so I have plenty of leftovers for today. And I have these bottles that I need to place in the recycle bin. And let's see what we have here. Let's see what we have here. I know my fridge is not that organized. That's another project, but I do have the food here. And rice. Do you know if you cook rice and you freeze it, right? Or place them in your fridge and have it the next day, it something does it to the starch. So in other words, you don't metabolize all the starch. In other words, you don't gain weight. And I wonder why I'm not gaining weight. I was like, okay, I love rice. I eat rice, but I eat the rice and then have the leftovers. And mostly, I normally used to pre-cook my meals, but now that I'm most of the time at home, I like to, cook and do like for 1 or 2 days. So, and inside here, my goodness, I made the best chicken, kind of Asian style, and I added like the Thai peanut butter. I'm gonna show you. Oh, it's so good. And spinach and mushrooms and carrots and all kinds of things. So I'm gonna heat this up. So now I have here for the lips, all these are beauty stuff that should go underneath the where I have all the other makeups and nail polishes and all that. So in other words, this will be empty, that, like that. And then these are my contact lenses. And I know things are about to expire. When are they going to expire? It doesn't say. Okay. So here, and then I don't know, what is this thing here? Oh, is that broken? I have no idea. What is that? Oh, should not be there. Also that it's travel. And yeah, so contact lenses. Maybe I can put my contact lenses with the eyelashes, right? Contact lenses, eyelashes, everything eye related, right? Oh gosh, what is in here? Yeah, another contact lens cases, and Hydra Makeup Forever. That's also travel. So I'll have this one. And yeah. Oh, I have another one. So all these things are ready. This one, this also should go into my white cabinet inside the bathroom. All my sponges here. Oh, these are all the skincare too in the bathroom. All right, so maybe I should put here all my washa things here and there. And then I know that I have another. What do I have here? Oh, I have here even more products. Okay, so anything probably makeup related, like cleaners for makeup here and there. So that's washa, and I know I'm missing another washa package. Let me see. Oh, here it is. These are all my washa tools for the face. So all the washa should be here. And yeah, so in the next clip, you're going to see, how I'm placing things in the first drawer. Okay, so I decided to put the contact lenses and fake eyelashes, the cleaners, for leather, for my yoga mat, etc. And then I was thinking of putting these in the white cabinet, but then I changed my mind. So these are, how to clean my brushes and here and there. And then the next thing should be the brushes. I will declutter these someday. I'm not ready to let go of them. So that then I have this space, and this is going to be for all my facial wash stuff, even though I have all my oil and serums inside the bathroom. But I like to keep things here because that's where I see myself in the mirror. And yeah, let's see. Now, I have all these other stuff, all these makeup brushes. I probably should put them over here. I need to clean these, and I will be right back. Okay, so yeah, so I still have like one spot, and I don't know what I'm going to put there, but in the meantime, I have these lip balms I'll put over here. And then that's it. Oh, Then I have these masks. They should be where my masks are. I believe they're in here. Yeah, so, oh, I have an empty. Maybe I should move the patch here. No, we can't barely see that and that. Good. So these are all my masks. And let's see what we have left. So we have that empty, and then these are all travel stuff that should go there. And oh, my sponges. I probably should put those over here too. You see, I have a lot of sponges here. So that over here. And then the bottom one, I should put, I have this plastic kind of like bin. So there we go. So I put it over here. And okay, so let's take a look one more time. So from the top, all my travel creams and things. Then these are the red therapy facial tools. These two, I'm going to donate them. And then everything remains the same. Brushes here and there. This is to massage my scalp. Things that I use on a regular basis. All the makeup stuff that we declutter in the previous episodes. I'm very proud that I'm keeping everything tidy and nice, easy to find things. And then this other shelf, nail polishes, which I have to paint my nails again. Patches and facial masks here and there. These are to take care of my cuticles. Then the first drawer, everything neat now. I can see what I have, everything categorized. Everything related to my eyes, like from contact lenses to false eyelashes, cleaners, brush cleaners, more brushes, puffies, washer tools for my face. And on the bottom, I do have the gel UV rays dehumidifier and things here and there, and more of my facial tools. And yeah, so this is it. This is my small beauty room that someday might be changed, but in the meantime, I have things, purged and saved and organized. And thanks for watching, friends, and see you on my next video. Bye.